Assalamu alaikum. I'm student of MSCS in University of Sialkot and my name is Maham Fakhr. My roll number is 20101009-030 and I'm going to present a project based on evaluating and improving existing interface based on heuristic evaluation, which was given to me by Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh in my Advanced Human Computer Interaction course. So my website is Prime Minister Office, Government of Pakistan. It contains each and every information about PM's office, complaints, e-portals, latest program introduced by Imran Khan. When we are moving towards, we see that a website heuristic evaluation done by me. The first point is visibility of the system status. The visibility of the system status says that design always keeps user informed about what is going on through appropriate feedback within a reasonable time. In this web page, when we click on the federal cabinet or any other tab, it will not change the color of that tab. So we cannot know, or the user not know, that where he is. It only changes the color of home tab. If we are going to press release, it is not change the color of press release. When we are moving towards, we see that second point, match between system and the real world. The website not having the icons of Gmail and other social media application like Twitter. So you can see that only Facebook icon is here and the Facebook icon is so big. So it must having Gmail, Twitter and Facebook small icons. Moving towards our next slide, match between system and the real world, news archives button is not clear. In there, you can see that the arrow indicates that news archives. It looks like a simple text, but it's a clickable text. Help uses recognize and diagnose. My heading means that this heuristic evaluation 9 point means that no error in language. In the PM's message, Urdu text is not clear. Also, the English text is not clear. As you can see that the arrow indicates 75th anniversary. The 75th TH will be on 75 upper part and anniversary and 75 will be having some space. Help and documentation. It means that the document should contain the document content should be easy to understand and search. It must focus on the user understanding. The images in the news archives are irrelevant. As per the given text, as per the given August 11 20 news, the image is irrelevant. So these images must be relevant to the news. User control and freedom. When we click on PTI manifesto, it will directly download a PDF file without permission. When we are talking about user control and freedom, the download option will have some options for user that if he or she wants to download thing, he can. Otherwise, the download will be stopped. When we click on the PTI manifesto, automatic PDF file will be downloaded. Match between system and the real world. Image size is not equal, some images are big and some are small, as you can see in my heuristic evaluation. Not having last updated date. When the web page is updated, when the website is updated, is not mentioned in the website. Some text is in capital letters and some in small letters. So the text must be in same or capital or a small way. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about website redesigning by me. It based on my own heuristic evaluation. As you can see that the news archives I have changed, I have bold it and the placement of it is changed. Also, you can see that I have changed the Urdu text and the important links and PM's message is on same thing. like having same space in the lower part. Also, you can see that when the home page is clicked and the home page color is changed. When we are going towards our next slide, I can change special assistance to prime minister images by I have redesigned it and will done it by like all the images on a same way, on a same size. The text is same now, everything is capital letters. You can see that the image gallery is now updated and all images are same sized. The prime minister image in the website is on left side and the name is on right side, so it not looks good. So I have changed and I have changed it. Okay. Response to heuristic evaluation of my website carried out by Qasim Gilani. Aesthetic and minimalist design. Not accepted response. I am talking about not accepted response first. The first is dialogue should contain information which is irrelevant or rarely. Evaluation is PM's message option is repeated. It should be in upper pan, not in the lower pan. I'm not going to accept this. My justification is in PM message menu, when we click on it, it will show all messages, but when we see in the main home page PM's message, it is showing only new date newsfeed, only new newsfeeds which are of week or a day ago. And accepted responses are consistency and standards. Evaluation is Kasim Gilani said web is completely okay, but footer is not maintained throughout the website. Yes, he is right. The footer is not maintained throughout the website because you can see that the footer is changed here and the footer is changed here. So I will totally completely agree with him that it must be in a same place. When we are going to critique my own website to improve it, website image still needed to be updated in some places. The image's resolution and the image should be updated because it is irrelevant. So in future I will update it. Feedback is the heart of interaction. If user interaction is a conversation between your user and the product, then your product better participate it in a friendly, interesting and hopeful manner. So it's a last quote from me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.